Let's examine the subsequent feature that is associated with Activity Insight. It is a system for organizing, storing, and reporting on the activities occurring in the project. Now, without the need to open the file, we can visualize on the Home tab the palette appears, and let's see inside AutoCAD. Observe the palette that is on the side. Here is the palette, everything that is happening in any of the files. This command changed. In V2024, it appeared separately in History. File history displayed in one section, activities related to the same file shown in another. I will open this file you're seeing on the screen. We'll enable it in the palette. Notice that the file, the last activity, was saved with a new name. This goes beyond AutoCAD as well, meaning if I enter the file via Microsoft Explorer, I'll close it to rename it, enter a folder where the file is stored, and display it at that moment. Alright, the file is located here. Let's proceed to rename it. I'm going to assign a label to it and name it Rename. Alright. Okay, now I'm going to locate the file. I'm going to open it. I'm going to open it from this folder where it was renamed. Here at Rename, we are currently open. What is going to happen with Activity Insight? In Activity Insight, it also detected that the file was renamed. Now I'm moving to the model, and in the model, we're going to make some adjustments. I am going to create a circle at this location. I will save the file, and now I am sending the message indicating that it is currently being saved. In the event that I delete this circle, I will save the file and send the message again once more for good measure and to ensure its delivery. If I'm going to purge any element such as layers, blocks, whatever it may be, here you see that I'm going to purge all the elements. We are in the process of closing. I have just been informed that a total of 72 items have been cleaned. At the bottom, we can observe the details of the activities. What exactly happened? 4 blocks, dimension styles, layers, line types, etc. were listed in the schedule. Here within this area is where the storage or where the writing of these activities is currently taking place. Within Options, we right-click here on Options, then navigate to Files until we reach the end where the Activity Inside Location folder becomes visible. This folder can be modified in order to provide access to that writing for all collaborators involved in the project. So, in summary, let us take a look at what has changed with this command and analyze the modifications that have occurred. The changes were merged, the commands were consolidated in the 2024 version with the introduction of the DWG history theme, utilizing Activity Insight for enhanced tracking and analysis capabilities. At present, it is visible in a solitary command and exhibits the history of previous actions. At this location, we have access to the files. We are able to preview Activity Insights prior to opening the file. To enable this option, we just locate the ellipsis, right-click, and select it. The change that has been made is the consolidation of DWG history within Activity Insights, which can now be found within the palette. The subject matter of comparing versions, visualizing it within the context of traceability in the events that have occurred. Also, cloud connectivity is new in Docs. It's important to have this version, the 2145 or the most recent one. Furthermore, it also operates with Google Drive, OneDrive, Box, and Dropbox, maintaining versioning, and thus ensuring the variables you see on screen, Activity Insight, the path we displayed in Options. Certain subjects pertaining to AutoCAD LT, cases and solutions that users have identified are also addressed and discussed in this particular section of the document. This variable Activity Insight support is a recent addition comprising variables and commands that are no longer in existence or in use. At this moment, they are observing it.